Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am here with a new video. My girl is doing fun with her makeup set, and I hope you will enjoy her funny techniques and innocent talks. Thank you so much. I will wait for your feedback.
Hello guys, thank you for subscribing to our channel, and I am here for a makeover. And now I want to do a makeup. First the up one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. How can I open it? Oh, right here?
Yes.
Of course. And look at these. First, the up one. First, I'm gonna use the lipstick. Okay. Okay. Like the lipstick is the real, okay?
Okay, it's real. I know it.
And the lip gloss is almost real too.
Okay.
And how much we can open it? Can you help me to open it, Mom?
Yes, I can help you.
Then I will be strong. Then I can be open it too. Just look me. Ah! Okay. And lip gloss is having a flower.
Okay.
And we have this one. This lip gloss is the extra, okay? And this one is the candy one.
Candy one?
Yeah, and you can use it to the brush too.
You can use it with brushes.
Yeah, brush.
Okay. You are doing a lot of makeup.
Yeah, because I almost like makeups. And guys, do you like makeup too?
Yes, guys, I also like makeup.
Mom, do you have also lip gloss?
Yes, I have it.
Do you put it in your lips?
Yes, I put them on my lip.
Now let's do a pretend lip polish. Pretend lip.
Why are you pretending again and again?
Because I like to pretend. Okay.
You like to pretend?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Okay. Okay, now good. Maybe we should go and close this up. We already put sparkles.
Yes.
I almost like my sister too, and she is the best and cutest. My sister is the cutest.
You love your sister a lot?
Okay.
Where are your accessories then?
There, I put them on.
Yes, you're looking very nice. What a makeover.
And almost it can come into light. See, just watch me. See?
Okay. It's nice.
Almost look. It will be off.
Okay.
Look, it's off.
Okay, what you want to say then?
Subscribe to our video.
Okay.
And thank you so much for doing our makeover.
You are doing makeover.
I almost do it to myself now. Now I am super strong and I can flash the toilet to myself.
Yes. You are strong enough now.
Now do you want to open it? Look, this is my necklace, and there's a mirror, okay? And this is my birthday mirror. And you can see, we share this makeup. Okay, now I want to open it to try.
Your sister is helping you.
She don't know how to open
Okay.
it. Okay. Hello guys, look at this brush. It is beautiful. Just don't pick this out, okay? And do you want to see this nail polish? Look good. This is the butterfly nail polish that we use it in our nails. And do you want to see this? This is the lipstick. Okay, now it is the lipstick, and this is the lip gloss. And you want to see, now you need to close this up. And you want to see the another one? Then look, this one, sparkly one. The down one, okay.
Okay. Your sister will help us.
Yeah, she is so sweet. And there is the fluffy brush.
Fluffy brush. Good name.
Like my Bali.
It is like your body.
And there is the eyelashes. This is yellow and
Eye
this is
shades,
purple.
not eyelashes. These are the eye shades, yes.
This is purple and this is white and this is pink and this is
Okay.
peach
We can
and
see.
this is red and this is orange and this is green and this is blue and this is yellow.
Okay.
Now you like this?
Yes, we like it very much. Okay, bye-bye.